In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WPS Office not working in laptop. If WPS Office is not opening properly, crashing, or failing to function as expected on your computer, this method can help resolve the issue using built-in Windows settings. This process focuses on repairing and resetting the app, which often fixes common software problems without requiring a full reinstallation. To start, go to your desktop and click the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. From there, click the gear icon to access the Settings window. Settings is where you can manage applications and system options on your computer, making it the central place to troubleshoot app issues. Once the Settings window is open, click on Apps. This section allows you to view and control all the applications installed on your system. After clicking Apps, go to Apps and Features. Here, you will see a full list of programs currently installed on your laptop. Scroll through the list carefully until you locate WPS Office. Take your time to ensure you select the correct application. When you find WPS Office, look to the right side of the entry. On some systems, you may notice 3 dots next to the app name. If the 3 dots are visible, click on them to reveal additional options. If not, simply click on WPS Office. After selecting the app, click on Advanced Options. This will open a screen with more detailed settings specific to the application. Scroll down until you find the Repair option. Click Repair and wait for the process to complete. The repair process checks the app for errors and attempts to fix issues without affecting your files or personal settings. Once the repair is finished, scroll down again and click Reset. Confirm the action by selecting Reset once more. This step clears app data and restores WPS Office to its default state, which can resolve deeper issues that the repair option alone cannot fix. After completing the reset, close the Settings window and try opening WPS Office again. In most cases, the application should now function properly. This method is particularly effective for issues such as the app not launching, freezing, or behaving unexpectedly. Using these built-in Windows tools provides a quick and efficient way to restore WPS Office without the need for complicated procedures or reinstallation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.